Hello friends, welcome to Facts Destination. Today we will visit two amazing websites which I think you all will like the most. I will also show you the tutorial how to operate these websites. So let's start the video. The first website that we will visit is archive.org. So I am typing the web address. This is the website www.archive.org. So I am clicking on the link and as you can see the website has opened and there is an option called Wayback Machine where you can see the history of almost all pages. Not all, but you can see the history of many pages on the internet. So now I will show you that by showing you the history of a random YouTube page. So let's take PewDiePie. So now I will copy the link of PewDiePie and paste it on the Wayback Machine. So I am copying the above link. And another thing is that you all can operate this website on your phones or tablets also rather than your desktop or laptop. So I have copied it and I will paste it using Ctrl+V. And see, the website is loading and it is open. So now I will go to 2012 and we will see the condition of the page of PewDiePie on July 6, 2012. So I have opened. So see, this is the thing. He didn't have 1 million subscribers also. At that time, 920192 subscribers. This was more than 8 years ago from now. I will go to another date. That is 12 September 2013. So now he has 13 million subscribers. And so you can easily see the page of the PewDiePie. Now we will go to fact text. So I will copy the link and paste it there. Let me paste it. And it's opening. Oh. Yes, it's opening. It's opening. It's okay. Oh, what happened? Why is it not opening? But let me tell you another thing about this website, that you can easily see the history of any page. And see, these are the screenshots taken. You can visit all the pages of that date. You can visit only the particular link which you have entered. And this is like a digital library where you can get the history of the pages and you can easily see the history of any YouTube channel. So it is open and we will see the history of FactText on March 4th, 2019. So the website is loading. It's loading and you can see the history of any page on the internet if it is there on this website. And as you can see, it contains more than 500 billion pages. So there are high chances that your page may be on this website. So the FactText page is opened and as you can see, it is 8.4 million subscribers only. For your information, let me tell you that this is 21st December when I am recording the video and FactText has more than 15 million subscribers now. So you saw the reality, and PewDiePie also. You saw 10 to 13 million subscribers at that time, but now PewDiePie has more than 108 million subscribers. So let's visit the second website, that is the worldometers.org. Sorry, I made a mistake. That's worldometer.info. But you can also search Worldometer and the website will come as it has come here. You can see the statistics of the population, not only population but of other fields. I am gradually showing you everything on this website. So So you can see the current world population, the birth this year, the births today, the death this year, the deaths today, and the net population growth. Below it we can see the government and economics, the expenditure on various fields like public healthcare, public education, military, the number of computers produced, the cars produced, the bicycles produced, etc. And here we can see the characteristics and the statistics of newspapers circulated today, the Google searches today, the emails sent today, and many more. You can also see the source of this information by clicking on the plus button. As you can see in this video I am showing you. So let's move further onto the website. This is the statistics about the environment, in which you can see the forest loss this year, the land loss due to soil erosion, the CO2 emissions, etc. And these are the statistics about food, about everything you will get on this website. And see here you can see everything related to water also. How much water used this year, deaths caused by water related disease, people who have no access to safe drinking water. And this is the statistics related to energy, how much energy was produced by the means, how much energy is used, and how much days there are left for coal to finish, mainly the coal resources to finish which are under the earth till now. And these are the statistics related to health and related to the deaths and the reason for deaths due to different health diseases or different reasons such as accidents and all. So hope you have liked the video. Like, share and subscribe to help our channel grow, and my target is 100 subscribers. So please like, share and subscribe the video. Till then, bye.